front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Screen Lock. Following that, choose one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create it, hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now you need to answer this question to adjust the lock screen notifications by tapping on one of the available options. And when you finished, hit Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that screen lock is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!